the given point is negative 2 comma 4. Okay, step 1 again. To find the equation of a line given a slope and a point, write first the pattern. And then after that, put a label here. Ano susulat natin? X, Y, 1, 1. Then substitute. Y minus, what is y sub 1? 4. Is equal to, what is the slope? 3. Times x minus x sub 1?
Negative
What we're going to do? Okay, put another parenthesis. Then after that, simplify na muna natin to, anak. Negative times negative.
Positive.
Magiging positive to na po siya. Then, since the given slope is already a whole number, meaning wala na tayong ililipat sa left. Direct na tayo ng multiplication. Saan lang po? Sa right side lang. Anong gagawin sa left side? I-bring down lang po yan. Then, distribute 3 times x.
3x.
And 3 times 2? 6. And then, combine like terms.
Negative 4.
Negative 4 transpose to the right side. What will be the sign of negative 4?
Positive.
Okay, magiging positive 4 na po yan. Then, simplify again. 6 plus 4, 10. So, ano yung numerical coefficient ni y? 1. Positive po ba? Okay, ibig sabihin, ito na po yung ating slope-intercept. Ito na yung sagot. Now, write the given to standard form. How to write this? To standard form.
Bring 3x to the left.
Okay, we need to transpose 3x to the left. What will be the sign of 3x?
Negative.
Magiging negative 3x. Anong kasunod po nito?
Y.
Plus y is equal to 10. Okay, sa tingin niyo po ba tama na po ito? Anong sign ni A? Okay, para maging positive, divide or multiply both side by what?
3.
By 3 ba? Fraction po ba ito? By Aldovino? Very good. Multiply both side by negative 1. Kailan po tayo anak nagmo-multiply sa ibang number kapag ito ay fraction? Since ito po ay whole number, sa negative 1 lang lagi. Okay, now, negative times negative.
Positive.
Positive. Negative times positive,
Negative.
negative y na siya. Then, positive times negative,
Negative.
okay, negative. So, therefore, this is already the answer.